What's the meaning of bargain hunting? Bargain hunting. Bargain hunting.
Bargain hunting. Bargain hunting. Bargain hunting refers to the act of searching for and purchasing goods or services at a lower price than their normal value. This can be done in various ways, such as shopping during sales, using coupons or vouchers, negotiating with sellers for lower prices, or buying second-hand items. The reasons for bargain hunting may vary from person to person, but it is often driven by the desire to save money or to get more value for one's money. Bargain hunting can also be a popular activity for leisure, as some people enjoy the thrill of finding a great deal. Overall, bargain hunting can be an effective way to save money while still enjoying the benefits of the products or services being purchased.